Yes.
Hi, I'm Abra Goswami, owner of Goring Dojo MMA and Fitness in Salt Lake, Kolkata, India. And Rahman did our website, and he did a terrific job. He was very easy to work with, and he will be doing the websites for my other enterprises undoubtedly. He did everything, like pretty much customized the website according to my wishes, and it's laid out exactly the way I wanted it. That's goringdojo.com for those that would be interested. You can check out Rahman's work right there. And yeah, this is my voucher for Rahman and from Goring Dojo. Hope to see you guys here.